Welcome to the largest reptile processing facility on Earth. This is not a scene from a science fiction movie. This is where nature meets industrial scale. Here, thousands of giant reticulated pythons are raised in a pristine, high-tech environment. Every single animal is monitored 24/7. The process of creating a $20,000 jacket begins right here with the selection. Workers in yellow hazard suits look for the perfect specimen. They are searching for flawless scales, no scratches, no scars.
Once selected, the pythons begin their journey. They are placed onto automated conveyors, moving calmly towards the processing unit. It is a seamless integration of biology and engineering. As they approach the extraction tunnel, the raw biology is about to be transformed into one of the most sought-after materials in the luxury fashion world. Inside the processing unit, the organic material is separated. What emerges on the other side is the raw canvas, pure, textured snakeskin. But in its raw state, it is fragile. It needs to be toughened. The skins enter massive stainless steel vats. Here, they undergo a proprietary chemical wash. This swirling mixture cleans the scales and prepares the fibers for the most critical step, the coloring. Luxury demands color. The skins are submerged in deep, vibrant crimson dye. Notice how the scales absorb the pigment differently than the skin between them, creating that iconic high-contrast pattern that defines luxury python leather. Finally, the dyed skins are stretched on vertical frames and pass through a thermal drying chamber. Heat locks in the color and solidifies the texture, making the leather durable enough to last a lifetime. Now the material meets precision technology. Robotic arms position the leather for laser cutting. There is no room for error here. The laser burns through the tough scales with surgical precision, cutting the complex patterns needed for a single jacket.
From robots, we move to the human touch. Hundreds of skilled artisans work in unison. This is the heartbeat of the factory. It takes an entire army of experts to keep up with the global demand. Stitching python skin is notoriously difficult. The needle must punch through armor-like scales without shattering them. It requires heavy-duty machinery and steady hands. A single missed stitch can ruin thousands of dollars worth of material. Piece by piece, the jacket takes shape. Sleeves are attached, seams are flattened with hammers, and the heavy-duty zippers are installed. It is a masterclass in industrial craftsmanship. But construction is only half the battle. Now comes the shine. Workers apply a special wax and vigorously hand-polish every inch of the surface. This friction creates the signature glass-like finish that wealthy clients expect. Quality control is ruthless. The manager inspects the final piece. He checks the sleeve length, the zipper fluidity, and the black silk lining. Only perfection is allowed to leave this room. The jacket is then carefully folded into its premium packaging. The final touch? The brand. A hot press stamps the golden logo deep into the leather, certifying its authenticity. This stamp is the difference between a simple jacket and a status symbol. From a high-tech farm to the luxury showroom, this is the result. A $20,000 masterpiece of nature and engineering. Bold, exclusive, and manufactured to perfection. This is the future of fashion.